Now we shall look at how to send same letter to many people but customized. Every letter will have their name and detail and those kind of whatever you decide. For example, this is a sample letter in which dear father so and so, dear sister so and so, and the place name to be written here. So these two, there are 100 persons to be written. For example, you are sending a letter to all the members of the congregation or all the members of the province or particular group. So letter item will be common. For example, Christmas greeting or Easter wishes or some event to be informed or some information about a particular person. All the content will be same, but the name whom you are addressing will be different, and some items, whatever you decide, any number of items can be added automatically. How that can be done? First, you decide what you want to add and make that list. For example, here I have an Excel sheet with title, first name, last name, location, email. This can be any number of items and any number of list, maybe 100 also. Now I just wrote maybe 10. So it's a title, like Mrs. on first name, last name, all that. So here, when I wanted to get it automatically filled, if it is just a few minutes, you can cut and paste and keep it, copy from here and paste, copy from paste, and you can do. But when there is 100 or bigger number, computer can help you doing it by clicking here, mailing, then start mail merge. Imagine whether you want us to print us a letter on a paper or send us email. So if you choose email, it can be sent from your email directly. For example, if your Outlook is associated with your email, this letter will go from Outlook automatically to everybody with this customized letter. Let us try email. Then send recipients. So click on choose a list where that names are there. Now this file name is mailing list. So you choose that. Use an existing list. So I am choosing it is on the desktop. So from the desktop I am choosing that file name mailing list. Open. And in that mailing list is asking which the last sheet number. This is the sheet name list. Mailing list is the file name, and there can be many sheets in one Excel sheet. So asking which the sheet. So only one sheet is there, and that name is name list. Therefore, it's automatically selected the first one. If there was 5-6 sheets here, and which name you have to choose there. Now only one is there, so it is by default it is chosen. Then down it is asking first row of data contains column headers. This first row. So accordingly, the computer will automatically take whatever is the top, that will decide. Okay, simply give okay, nothing to do, just give okay. Now I remove that dash and say what you want there. Insert merge field. This is important. Insert merge field. Here you click and choose. Now whatever was in the Excel sheet, it is come here. Title, first name, last name, location, email. That means you have typed here, so that means you have come here. So I say title, then give one space, because after this there should be a space if you want. Then again go to merge field, first name, give again a space, again go to the same place, last name, okay, and then comma if you want. So that same thing will come everywhere. And here also, this is what I written simply is, hope you are fine and doing well in your mission. Here I am with good news that Jesus is going to come to meet you at 10 a.m. on Christmas Day in your parish church at which place. So here you put a dash and choose location. So insert merge field location. And full stop. Now this is a sample letter. Now you can see how it is coming. You may make it a little bigger to see. Preview results. See that name is automatically changed. Now to see other result. Result number 1 is this. Next one, that name is changed. Similarly, Matthew Manandavadi. Third one, Thangajan Abraham Attapadi. Fourth one, Sunny A. Karara. Next one, Joy Thavalam. So like that, any number of ones are there. It will show you all this automatically done by computer. Now finish and merge. Click on finish and merge. So print, whether now you want to print as a document or send us email. So for example, first you will try print document. All you want or particular number. Choose from which one to use. Now only few are there. So you are saying all. So you'll say which printer. Whether you want a PDF or printer. Now I am choosing PDF. So simply give OK. So that will be on the desktop. We'll put sample letters. Letters and saving. Okay, it is saved on the desktop as sample letters. We can open and see from the desktop. This is on the desktop, and then sample letters. Opening that letter. Yes, open that letter opened with individual letters for each. The first, there are 9 letters now here, you can see. So first one, you can go on seeing second one, third one, fourth one. See how easily it is. Now only need to give a print command when you need, or you can do whatever. Now we shall close this PDF and go back to the same place and continue, finish and merge. Now we shall send us email, send email messages. Now asking to, so email, that is already chosen as, because one we had put as email, so by default it is chosen email. So what do you want as subject title? Okay, something, here is a good news, that will come on all the email as a default. Now whether you want one particular email to be sent all, so I will say all. Now it is composing letters to everyone, so automatically doing all the changes here. Now if you look at your Outlook, it will see, now this is my Outlook. Now from Outlook, because I have default set default, my email will go from Outlook when you do this kind of things. Now I have chosen to send from Hotmail address to Gmail address. See, already the mail have come here. Now all those mail for each of them. See, since I gave my email ID for everything, that is why everything come to my inbox. But if you had given different email ID, everybody would have got the same time, all of them will get that email. See, all those emails came. It is sent from this ID, so we can check at send items. So clicking on the send item, see that all those mails are here in the send item, and in this email ID, the inbox, all of them are seen. So that way, within short time, we can send even 1000 letter, provided all the data is kept ready beforehand. Because this addresses normally in a provincial rate or general rate, and we have all the addresses in some particular order. So if you keep this kind of order, each time you only need to choose that particular file, it will be sent to everybody. These details can be changed anytime, except that the top heading, whatever is there only, that is considered as a field. That's it.